Welcome back, kitchen enthusiasts. We're in the kitchen and we're here to help you decide which electric griddle to buy today. Don't worry about taking any notes. All the links for the products we mentioned are in the description below. It is important for someone to have a multifunctional equipment, especially for those who love to cook. An electric griddle is one such piece of equipment. It has a smooth and flat surface, perfect for cooking breakfast foods like bacon, sausages, pancake, home fries, French toast and eggs. So for those who are looking for something that can help you cook your food easier, this video will give you an idea for that. The team has prepared this list for you through comprehensive research. The electric griddles that have been selected have been chosen based on product features, reviews in the marketplace, quality of finish and price. And where possible, we have been mindful of the different types of buyers. We do suggest you stick around until the end to see who wins the #1 position on our list. Before we begin, be sure to like the video and subscribe to stay with us in the kitchen, especially if you're interested in more informational list-related content just like this one. Remember, you can find the options to our list in the description down below, as well as timestamps to help you navigate through the video. The electric griddle coming in at number 5 on our list is the Dash Everyday Nonstick Deluxe Electric Griddle. Are you looking for a cooking appliance that will help you cook one or more dish at the same time? Here's the Dash Everyday Nonstick Deluxe Electric Griddle that is ideal for preparing breakfast items such as eggs, bacon, pancakes and sausages. With a 1500 watt heating element, this griddle has a variable heat setting that will allow you to control the temperature from high to low. The griddle measures 20 inches by 10.5 inches, which will help you make delicious foods for the whole family. It will save you a lot of time and energy because the heating probe will allow you to precisely control the temperature of your food. The control probe is also very easy to operate. It plugs into the back of the appliance and can be easily removed when the griddle needs to be cleaned. It has a drip tray that collects any grease before it has the chance to hit your counter. It is easy to clean because its surface provides even cooking for consistent results. The frying plate is removable and the drip tray is also dishwasher safe. It collects excess grease which can be easily removed. We also found out that it has a large cooking surface that will allow you to separate the different dishes you may be cooking. The ability to cook different dishes on a large plate is really useful, especially if you're in a hurry or if you're quite busy. The griddle is definitely perfect for family meals, entertaining or cooking a variety of foods for picky eaters all at once without the use of multiple pots and pans. For its price, our team in the kitchen think that it really deserves to be in the top 5 on our countdown list. The electric griddle coming in at number 4 on our list is the Hamilton Beach Grill and Griddle. Prepare delicious meals and treat your taste buds without the fat and grease of frying. With the versatility of the Hamilton Beach 3-in-1 Grill and Griddle, you can start appreciating the idea of easy gourmet cooking. The Hamilton Beach Grill and Griddle is very affordable and extremely user-friendly. It is perfect for making breakfast, lunch and even dinner. It also has a 3-in-1 functionality that you can use it as an indoor barbecue grill, a traditional griddle or even a bacon cooker. This grill or griddle combo has 2 removable and reversible plates, allowing you to make pancakes on the smooth surface while grilling steaks or burgers on the ridged grilling surface. Each side has its own temperature control, which ranges from warm to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. It allows you to cook at 2 different temperatures at the same time. You can use one side for cooking, while the other side helps you to keep the meals warm until you dish them up. You can also change the temperature at any time depending on what you're cooking or what you want to prepare. The non-stick reversible and removable cooking plates are simple to snap into position. It provides 18.25 by 9.5 inches of cooking area when used together. Excess grease is collected and drained into the center channel of the non-stick plates. The grease tray is detachable and dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. Grids can be quickly snapped in and out for easy adjustment and removal. The team were quite impressed with the fact that the non-stick plates, 2 grills and drip tray were all dishwasher safe. This Hamilton Beach Grill and Griddle is really good for the whole family, not only at home but also if you're on vacation. Kids will really enjoy their meals knowing that this equipment will make their food a lot faster rather than using multiple pans. It really deserves to be at number 4 on our list. The electric griddle coming in at number 3 on our list is the Zojirushi Gourmet Zysler and Electric Griddle. Cooking food at home can be a challenge, especially if you have a lot of people to feed. So if you're looking for a cooking appliance that will help you with it, this Zojirushi Gourmet Zysler and Electric Griddle is the one. It has some impressive features that you will surely like. Many tables will benefit from its flair, adaptability, and originality. It has a huge cooking surface that is really ideal for any dining table. It's perfect for cooking veggies, steaks, pancakes, and more because it has variable heat settings. The electric griddle comes with a lid, a complementary spatula, and a non-stick surface that has been titanium enhanced. Cooking and steaming are made easier with the lid, which also protects the oil spray. The griddle is very easy to operate, and the temperature control connector clicks into place when properly inserted. The cooking surface has titanium and ceramic improved triple layer non-stick coating. The diamond pattern on the cooking surface protects the non-stick coating by keeping the food from sticking on the surface. The device can be disassembled and contains a totally waterproof bodyguard and cooking plate, which will make the device easy to clean. The control plug dial can also be used to adjust the temperature from a warm to a cool setting. We are so impressed by the features of this electric griddle. This griddle produced the most consistent fried eggs of all the griddles we tested, due to the removable lid that enabled the yolk to set. The griddle's rough surface also prevented egg whites from leaking into a larger pool. It may be a bit pricey, but this griddle offers a lot. It certainly deserved to be in the top 3. The electric griddle coming in at number 2 on our list is the Presto Tilt and Fold Griddle. Having a huge cooking appliance is so hard to hide. But don't worry, despite its size, the Presto Tilt and Fold Griddle can be easily hidden. The tilt and fold feature on the griddle allows the legs to fold inside and lock for simple storage, and when folded, the unit fits in most standard 18-inch kitchen cabinets. Presto is a powerhouse brand when it comes to electric griddles. This griddle did a great job for evenly browning pancakes of all the griddles we tested. The griddle is made out of a heavy cast aluminium base with a large 254 square inch cooking surface. When cooking meat, the surface can be slanted using levers to allow the grease to drain into the side drip tray. The Control Master's heat control automatically maintains the desired cooking temperature, while stick-free cooking and simple cleanup are all made possible because of the premium non-stick surface. We also found the slide-out drip tray empties and cleans easily, and you are able to fully immerse the griddle in water to clean it once you've removed the heat control. Every mum and pup will love this Presto Tilt and Fold griddle because of its amazing features. This griddle is perfect for the whole family and has made a big impression on our team. It may be large in size, but it is very useful in the kitchen. This electric griddle will save you a lot of time and deserves to be ranked second. And finally, we come to the number 1 electric griddle on our list, the Cuisinart 5-in-1 Griddler. You may believe that there is no way to make a wonderful meal in 15 minutes, yet the Cuisinart Griddler offers 5 ways to do so. Cuisinart's 5-in-1 Griddler is an excellent pick if versatility is essential for you. This model comes with removable plates that lets you use it as a griddle, grill, or conventional panini press. The Cuisinart Griddler can handle everything from pancakes and sausages to grilled cheese, steaks, hamburgers, and paninis. A contact grill, panini press, full grill, full griddle, and half a grill or half griddle are all included in this 5-in-1 countertop machine. The brushed stainless steel exterior of this easy-to-use griddle or grill combo is durable and easy to clean with a quick wipe to remove any residue. The aluminium removable and reversible non-stick cooking plates are 11 by 9 inches in size with an integrated drip tray that will help you drain the grease for healthy cooking. It has dual temperature settings that ensures everything is perfectly cooked every time, with a heat range of 175 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. The temperature is also easily adjustable depending on food that you want to prepare. The Griddler has a handy indicator light to help you keep on track of the food items, as well as a floating cover to adjust to the thickness of your food. The good thing is the removable and reversible plates are all dishwasher safe and can also be easily washed by hand. You will be happy to know a Gourmet recipes booklet and scraping tool are included too. Our team conducted research on this griddle and you can see that it's ranked first because of its incredible features. Every family will want this type of griddler because you never know what food you may need to make. Whatever you choose, this griddler can make it happen. And there you have it, folks, the 5 electric griddles that got the team in the kitchen excited this year. If you have any contenders for our next electric griddle roundup, which you would like our team to test, do drop it in the comment section below and we will be sure to take a look over it for the next update. If you liked this video and it helped you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research and everything that makes our kitchens great. We look forward to seeing you in the kitchen again soon.